The OKIBB Smart Lock Fingerprint Doorbell combines fingerprint reader, keypad, key fobs, voice assistant support, mechanical key, and an integrated chime into one unit, so a household can choose whichever way of entry feels most natural at the moment. Built-in wireless connectivity lets you check the lock status, review entry history, and manage user permissions from the app, so you can handle access even when you are far from home. The app-based code system is especially for short-term guests or service workers, since you can issue one-time or time-limited entry codes without needing to be on site or hand over a physical key. Fingerprint recognition is very quick and accurate, which makes everyday use feel closer to touching a light switch than fiddling with a traditional deadbolt. Power usage is modest, and the lock runs on standard batteries with a clear low power warning and a Type-C emergency power port that give plenty of time to swap batteries without getting locked out. Installation is straightforward with common tools. The lock fits standard doors in either orientation, and it still meets a recognized residential security standard while adding all the smart features.